Mango.
Yeah,
Let us
kefir
try
with
it.
mango.
Cheers po,
Cheers!
General.
Thank you.
No, I love yogurt eh.
Yeah, okay.
I love yogurt, I love mango. It's wonderful.
I brought
It's
extra.
wonderful.
I brought extra bottles for you.
Oh my goodness,
Yes,
thank you so much.
yes.
My children can take this, no?
Yes, any age.
Any
Good.
age.
Yes.
Very good for the body.
Very good.
Oh my
It will
goodness.
eliminate bad bacteria sa intestine at papalitan niya ng good bacteria.
Wow naman, napaka-blessed ko naman ngayon. Umupo lang ako dito, nagka-guest na ako ng general. Meron pa ako ngayong iuuwing good for my children. Maraming salamat po, General.
You're very welcome.
Nako,
You're very
alam niyo po,
welcome.
ako po ay sarap na kefir na ito na may mangga. Meron po akong nalaman na miss rin itong kefir ninyo.
Talaga?
Miss na daw niya talaga. At dahil po wala siya dito, sana po magustuhan ninyo ito. Hello?
Mama! So I'm already excited. Don't worry about me. Kasi I'm old enough already. Congratulations. Really, Ma. I'm sorry I can't watch your show. But I'm really proud of you as my mom. And I'm happy for you talaga. I'm sure Daddy is also happy. Thank you. Love you.
Oh! Yan po si Jade nyo!
She's my youngest.
Nasaan po
right
siya?
now. Nasa Taiwan siya. Kasi ano siya ng summer tour. Oo, kasi they have to, dahil husband ko Chinese, so kailangan ipapractice nila yung language.
But you have your two other children here.
Yes.
Nasaan
No.
po
They're
not here?
They're not
Okay.
here. Nasa Xiamen University.
Nasa Xiamen University.
Yes. Oh.
So your children will know how to speak Mandarin, and they will know how to deal, all the Chinese work ethic, business. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Bilib na bilib ako sa inyo. That's all I can say. That's all I can say, General. And you deserve to be our first woman General, ma'am, because you have accomplished so much. Not just as in your profession, but as a woman. You make me so proud to be one.
Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Thank you so much.
Sa trabaho po, baril ang hawak, pero kapag daw free time nyo naman po, General, ay hawak nyo paintbrush. Is that your way of relaxing?
That's right.
Meron po ba tayong painting dito? Ayan! Naku, salamat
I'm gonna
po.
show you. Okay.
Thank you so much. Sir, thank you po.
Thank you,
Thank you
Flo.
po.
Thank you so much.
Oh, wow!
This is mine. And then, I
is-
cited Monette. They call me, my nickname is Monette.
Your nickname is Monette.
You can call me
Ma'am,
Monette.
ma'am, naiilang po ako. Mapupo kayo. Ayan po, ilagay natin. Ako po
Yes,
hahawak.
ito. No.
And this is a painting of, obviously, flowers, but...
Yes, when I was in Hawaii, I was so impressed by this tree. Na talagang, alam mo, sabi ko, ang ganda-ganda mo tree. I'm gonna take a picture of you. And when I go back to the Philippines, I'm gonna paint you. And this is a tree from Hawaii.
What, do you know what it's called?
It's acacia, family of acacia.
So it's something that is found only in Hawaii or the islands?
Yes. Yes.
Mostly.
Mostly, yes. Kasi parang hindi ko pa siya nakita dito.
Imagine.
But yung kanyang leaves, similar sa acacia tree natin. So sabi ko, family siya ng acacia. But the flowers, oh my gosh, you will really appreciate the beauty ng creation ng God.
Talaga pong painting pa lang na-appreciate na namin yung puno at yung mga bulaklak.
So,
Lalo po siguro yung person.
Ayun.
Tsaka tingnan nyo, palakpakan naman natin si General, no? Ano ba ito? Ma'am, I would like to thank you again from the bottom of my heart.
Do you like it? It's yours.
Oh my God! Thank you
It's
so
yours.
much! I have it. This is historical.
Yes.
This is to be a piece of history from the first woman general in the Philippines, the AFP. Thank you very much, General.
Very well.
is my honor once again to have had you on the show. Sure na sure po ako, ang dami pong nagulat at na-inspire sa ating mga manonood. Hindi lamang dito sa studio, kundi sa buong mundo po. Maraming salamat po again. And God bless you and your family.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And God bless. More power to your show.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat.
At alam niyo po ba, General, ibang painting naman po, na klaseng painting ang ginagawa ng ating susunod na panauhin. Isa rin po siyang ina na meron pong kakaibang trabaho na you wouldn't expect a woman to be doing eh. Tapos, ang pagpinta ito ng matataas na gusali. Kung ito ay painting ng art, ito ay painting ng mag-painting tayo ng wall. Ayan, at saka ng labas. Ayan, ng mga bakod. Ayan. Ang hirap at sarap sa malayo niyang trabaho sa pagbabalik ng Sharon kasama mo, kapatid. Maraming salamat. So proud. Nakakabilib dahil talagang kayo ba may nakita na kayong babaeng umaakyat ng scaffolding para magpintura? Hindi ba? Wala, ano?
Kung tayo